The Untold Story of Sam Bahadur. Sam Bahadur, a popular moniker for General Sam Manekshaw, is one of India's most celebrated military leaders. He played a pivotal role in the Indian Army's history and its journey to becoming one of the world's most formidable armed forces. This comprehensive account of Sam Manekshaw's life, often known as Sam Bahadur, covers his early years, military career, significant contributions, and legacy. Early life and background. Field Marshal Sam Hormusji Framji Jamshedji Manekshaw, known as Sam Manekshaw, was born on April 3, 1914, in Amritsar, Punjab, which was then a part of British India. He came from a Parsi family with a long history of military service. Manekshaw's early life was marked by his determination and a deep desire to serve his country. He completed his schooling in Sherwood College, Nainital, and then went on to join the Indian Military Academy in Dehradun. Military career. Sam Manekshaw's military career was illustrious and spanned several decades. Here are some key highlights. 1. Commission in the British Indian Army, Manekshaw was commissioned into the 2nd Battalion of the Royal Scots in 1934. Later, he was transferred to the 4th Battalion, 12th Frontier Force Regiment. 2. World War II. During World War II, Manekshaw saw active service in Burma, Malaya, and Indonesia. He was even wounded in action. 3. Independence and partition. After India gained independence in 1947, Manekshaw opted for Indian citizenship and continued to serve in the Indian Army. He played a crucial role in the integration of princely states into the newly formed Republic of India. 4. 1962 India-China War, Manekshaw served as the Director General of Military Operations during the India-China War. The war ended in India's defeat, but Manekshaw's insights and recommendations significantly influenced India's military strategy and preparedness. 5. 1965 India-Pakistan War, Manekshaw's leadership during the 1965 war against Pakistan was instrumental. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan for his contributions. 6. 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, this was a defining moment in Manekshaw's career. As the Chief of the Army Staff, he planned and executed the military campaign that led to the creation of Bangladesh. This war also marked the highest point of his career, and he was promoted to the rank of Field Marshal, becoming the first and only Field Marshal of the Indian Army. 7. Retirement. Manekshaw retired from the Indian Army in 1973 but remained a revered figure in India's military history. Leadership style and legacy. Sam Manekshaw was known for his wit, wisdom, and leadership skills. He had a no-nonsense approach to leadership and was respected by his subordinates and peers. His famous wit and straightforwardness endeared him to the troops and the Indian public. Manekshaw's legacy is immense. He is remembered for his role in the 1971 war, his contributions to nation building, and his commitment to the welfare of the armed forces. His leadership principles continue to be studied and admired in military academies and institutions. His life and career stand as a testament to the values of discipline, integrity, and service to the nation. Later life and passing. After his retirement, Manekshaw settled in Coonoor, Tamil Nadu. He lived a quiet life and often appeared at military events and functions. He passed away on June 27, 2008, at the age of 94, leaving behind a lasting legacy as one of India's most revered military leaders. In conclusion, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, or Sam Bahadur, was an extraordinary military leader whose contributions to the Indian Army and the nation are celebrated to this day. His life's journey is a testament to dedication, service, and leadership, and his legacy continues to inspire future generations.